Good morning, YouTube. Monday morning. Everybody's late, as per usual, Monday morning. $14 till the open. See who shows up. Do we have any news today? Let's see. Right after the open, 9:45. Manufacturing PMI. Services PMI. It's going to be a big week. FOMC, Microsoft, Google, somebody else I can't remember. Facebook, GDP, PCE. Big week. Probably going to be choppy today. Might not trade. Find out after the open. At the open. Ten minutes. Everybody's sleeping. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Yes. Don't like this price action. Not going anywhere, doing anything with 8 minutes to the open. Might be stuck in this 50-point range from the open and close price on Friday. Potential up to the high of 716, or we could drop and hit this previous level 365, 457. 20 average is at 405. If we extend this daily trend up, we could bottom out at 470, which is a daily level or weekly level. Weekly candle for last week's looking pretty sketchy. Pretty sketchy. Six minutes. Buyers are at 560, sellers at 592. Like the range, 60 to 92. 5 minutes. Everybody's sleeping in today, I guess. Wake up, gentlemen. It's time to make some motherfucking money.
Good morning.
Abraham,
What up?
what's going on?
Ready?
I'm ready. Looks like it might be choppy.
What was that?
Looks like it might be choppy.
It looks like it.
Yeah. Might just sit on hands today. I don't know. We'll see. We got news after the open at 9:45.
Well, Nasdaq has a big squeeze.
Mm-hmm.
TTM is like far. It's like it's been red for like 3 hours. 2 hours.
Nice. Hopefully it opens up and does something.
Yeah, we should.
PMI at 9:45. 20 minutes. Might just be choppy till FOMC on Wednesday. Never know. Never know. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. A little bit more liquidity on the book now, up to 600. This isn't much higher than the range of 92.
Morning.
Morning. Journey. 2 minutes.
Brother.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo.
Mr. Bird.
How's the
Everybody's
week?
piling in late this morning. That was good. 90 seconds. You guys ready for some chop, chop, chop?
Yeah, let's see what happens. If you're gonna dump or shop or go higher.
Well, the current trend is to do nothing and go sideways from 60 up to 90.
Hello.
Offer Master. 1 minute.
Hello, people.
Let's go. Let's go get choppy.
They're choppy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thinking about sitting on my hands unless it shows me something more interesting.
Do we have news?
There's 15 minutes of PMI. I don't know if it's going to help. It might. It might.
There is a reason for us to be that choppy.
FOMC.
Here we go.
There's a ton of news this week, along with earnings and FOMC and Pow press conference after
About to open.
after the meeting. Here we go.
Shit, I never see
Rip
it's supposed
it.
to red.
I think we're supposed to rip.
Book is still showing 60 to 90, potential to 600. Now we're moving up a little. We got 600 up to 607. Sellers up to 610.
Oof, we're ripping.
Top of the range here.
We have a pivot right here at 600.
There's the seller sitting at 650, 638,
Jeez.
and 620. At least we got a decent open. Let's see. 30 points so far. 35. He's also climbing. Gold's moving down a little. Small caps are doing nothing. The moving average on the hour is sitting at 640, which is close to the top of that bounce Friday. The 15-minute chart looks like a nice break of the bull flag. Indicators, the moving averages are sideways on all time frames, indicating choppiness. See, 2.5 minutes left on the opening range. Sellers at 650, 38, 25. Concentrated at 12. Not much happening to the downside. Maybe we're going to go get that 650. One of the controls at 78. UF's at 70. 1 minute moving averages are starting to point up. The flat on the rest of the time frames. Pointing down on the hour. Sellers are concentrated at 620 now. Buyers all the way down to the point of control. That was a good dip buy at 95. 10 points. For a quick 10 points. Opening range, 20 seconds. We got 75 up to 618. Was it 40 points roughly? Decent open. $8 ATR right now is kind of garbage. $1.85 on the S&P is garbage. $12 now. News in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. My stats tell me to wait until 10 o'clock to trade. See what happens with this news in 10 minutes. Not a very active open, is it? No follow. No
Nothing
follow
volatile
through.
though.
Yep. I mean, it was a nice opening candle, but no follow through so far. Been a minute.
I'm long for 97.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah, that's a good entry. Good entry, sir. Sellers are thick at 20s.
But I think we are bullish overall.
Yeah, the markets are still bullish. Till we break, let's take a look at the daily. In my opinion, we have to break this 365 level before we can end the bullishness.
365.
Yes, sir. As long as we hold above 360, as long as we hold above 365, in my opinion, the markets are still overall bullish.
Where do you see 365?
On the daily chart, it's the previous breakout.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's also the 20-day moving average, which has been holding up through the pullbacks. If we go back to the daily and look, we can see several pullbacks to the 20 here and here, all through this bullishness.
I'm
All
long again from prior open.
All the pullbacks in this bull market have been to the 20 and then more highs.
I'm long with you.
You guys are long?
Yeah, from 600.
Just a short one. This could
Back
reverse.
to 95.
Oh my god.
95 was the overnight high. We got news, 7 minutes. Did you get stopped, golfer?
Yeah, break even.
Nice.
I'm still in from 95.
I think I should have stayed.
I got a stop at 95.50. I'm gonna get triggered now.
I think you should wait. I think you guys should wait till this news comes out. Right now we're seeing another chop zone from 95 to 618 with the potential to break down back into the previous range, 60 to 90. And she's breaking.
Maybe thank God I got out break even.
Yeah, that's why I said nice, because this shit is not going up, sir. Choppy as expected so far. 6 minutes.
Resting buy order at 74. I'm triggered. VWAP for short scalp.
Got buyers down to 60. Plenty of liquidity to the upside, though. You've got that working in your favor for the long. Not much liquidity to the downside.
Whoa, nice. Oh my god, what a bomb.
Off the point of control, 76. Five
Short
minutes.
from here.
5 minutes, bros. Making a lot of trades already, bro.
Yeah.
Looks like 60 to 560 to 620 orders just stacked up all the way up, all the way down. Choppiness. Chop. 4 minutes.
God, I'm gonna stay out for a while.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Got a lot going on this week. PMI, PCE, FOMC, big tech earnings. It's the end of the month. Not quite the end of the month yet. Maybe next week will be the end of the month, but you know what I'm saying. There's a lot going on.
So we're expecting a slightly worse PMI.
We got a pow press conference this week after the meeting. All the way down, all the way up. 3 minutes. Might take a minute or two for these numbers to sink in. Get a
It will be
reaction.
volatile.
We could get an immediate reaction. It could take a couple minutes. We might not get any reaction. ATR is only 14 points right now. Not inside of I like it at 20. We're doing 1360. S&P is doing 270. That's decent. New high S&P. S&P is bullish. More bullish than the Nasdaq.
Oh, it is.
Small caps are ripping to the moon. We should be just holding small caps. They're going crazy lately. And summertime is supposed to be slow. Especially for small caps.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This can be bearish.
90 seconds. Fifteen-minute averages are flat. Hours are flattening out from pointing down. 5 minutes are starting to point up. 1 minutes are pointing, sloping up. One minute. Berg, can you tell us if the numbers come out higher or lower? Are you looking?
Yeah, in 55 minutes, seconds.
All right, let us know. Please, sir.
Yes, I can do that.
45 seconds.
$25 seconds to release. 20. 15.
It's going to rip.
So we're gonna dump. I mean, the forecasting worse numbers than previous.
There we go.
Pending. We got pending numbers. Flash service PMI 52.4. So a little bit better than expected than the forecast.
Better than expected.
It was exactly as the previous. 49 on the flash manufacturing PMI. It was a little bit worse. No, it was better than forecast.
So better than expected, but not better than previous. That's not special.
Yeah, on the flash service PMI, yes. It's
Nothing
actually the
special.
same as before. But the flash manufacturing PMI was 49, forecast 46.1.
Nothing
So that was,
special. Continue to chop.
yeah, nothing special.
We'll see if the top of the hour brings us anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell this shit. I'm going short.
Be careful of the previous range. 65. .15 ATR now, getting a little better. Gold's pushing. S&P and NASDAQ are dropping.
Order filled.
Is that big, bro? It is. Morning, sir.
Order filled.
Oh, we are lucky.
Dum, dum, dum. Oh, nasty.
Oh my god.
Bottom of the
Average
range here.
entry
Open
is-
price.
My average entry is 589.
Nice. Are you going to take some prop? Oh,
Nice.
30 points. 30 points. Take some partials.
Ow.
dude.
You are still there?
30 points already.
Take some partials.
Are you with a or with a mini?
I'm gonna add. I'm gonna go lower, higher, a lower day on this. Was shitty numbers.
Oh, dude. Take some partials and add the bounce. This is a big candle. It's going to have some sort of bounce. I suspect.
Me too, I'm long.
Wouldn't stay long for very long.
Ah, me either, man.
And I wasn't.
Good. Very nice. Choppiness requires in and out. Take your profit. We are choppy.
I'm adding to the downside here.
See, that's the good bounce to get your extra entry on. Let's see. Could keep coming up to like 85.
I still don't think that is a good idea, but
We could come up to 85. We've got a 15-minute level here in the 60s that we've rejected. Let's go,
oh,
Berg.
maybe it is a good idea, Mr. Berg.
Let's go, Berg. Those 360s.
Nice, Mr. Berg.
The daily trend would put us at 480 right now. 480, low 80s over the next
Trying to lower
30 minutes.
value area, taking one off.
Are you trading with micros or minis?
Minis,
Oh,
but I'm using like one micro. I mean, I'm trading micro, but
We got 10
okay.
micros. We got you.
One or two.
10 micros, right, Berg?
Yes, 10 micros.
There's a seller sitting at 620. Everybody else is slightly above market. There's still a guy at 50. And we got buyers at 487, 500, 512, and then concentrated from 25 to 50. We're below VWAP. We're below the point of control. Small caps are pulling back. S&P broke that trend, short-term trend. There's a little bit more support. 5 points lower. About 20 points on the NASDAQ, which would put us in this hourly level, that was the low overnight. Yes, the overnight low, 28. 27. $18 ATR now is getting better. 9 minutes, top of the hour.
Short.
Current hour candle is nasty. Our trend overall is down. Nine minutes, top of the hour. No news, just fresh candle. Down trend has changed down on the 5-minute bar. That thing is fairly accurate. New low a day. Testing the overnight low.
I'm up $300.
Let's go, Grumfer.
I'm up 1200.
Let's
30,
go, Bird.
Oh,
New low a day.
1400.
congratulations, Mr. Bird.
Don't be
Amazing
greedy.
trade.
Don't be greedy.
I'm flat.
Don't take it
39
all.
it
Don't
is.
take it all. Oh, dang. You took it all?
It's on almost. It touched the prior low.
That's good. It's
We're gonna have a bounce here.
the new
I
low.
can add on later for another short.
We
for the
dropped.
bounce.
You could call that 100 points off the highs. I mean, it's like 93 points or something like that. Typically, we'll get a consolidation after 100 points. Typically.
Or we can just break down even further. But
Yeah, or we could drop another 100 points.
Yeah.
I suspect we got a week low a day and then a bounce, so I suspect some sort of consolidation, even if it's only for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Top of the hour in 7 minutes.
Why didn't I record this trade? Fuck.
It's on YouTube, sir.
Oh, sorry.
You can watch it.
And your swearing is also on YouTube for everyone to see.
Yeah.
It's on the house.
Now everyone knows Swedish people are
You're a disgrace
bad.
to the Swedes. What a dump, guys. What a dump. So those numbers, it took it a couple of minutes to give us the move, but it made a move.
Mm-hmm.
It took, 5 minutes to settle in and then 10 minutes to see some action. We've got we got a weekly level at 480s.
Ernie, bro, are you still low? Are you still?
Good Lord, dump it.
Oh, what did I took it off? I should.
Ernie's always short.
Yeah, amazing.
You're still short?
He should
Amazing
be
day.
done.
Oh yeah, I'm sure as well.
He should be done.
I'm almost done. Yeah, with the day. I should be done. 5 more minutes. But I took the short with you. Took the short with you, and I held it.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I think.
What's your
Thanks, brother.
average?
Oh, now I took some profit, but I'm in at 48.
48.
1 minute. Yeah. I'm up. So yeah, I'm up 200 points. Not 200.
Okay.
50 points.
Yeah.
We got a
I'm at
weekly
50
level
points right now.
at
60
480.
points.
That's nice.
Yeah. 60 points on 1 mini.
That's a payday and a beach trip to the beach.
No, it's just.
I went short from 88.75 and I added on 66.
Wow, today is a 10 out of 10 for me for everything.
Yeah, me too. I'm happy with my trade today.
23 point ATR now.
So I just closed it. We're going for the bounce. I want to wait 5 minutes. If it continues to be so this candle, this 15 minutes candle is an elephant candle. It's super easy to trade. It's basically more than 50 points. That's what I was talking to you about. So it's a more than 50 points candle. We have like a 100 points candle right now. So you just wait for that.
We hit that
for the
daily.
next candle, 5 minutes.
You know, the interesting part, we are only down 47 points on the day.
I'm not done, guys. Please finish. Let me finish, and I'll let you go. So when at top of the hours, if it's still a very bearish candle, I'm gonna go short and giving a 10 points stop loss, just for continuation of that bear candle, and then I will close at the end of the basically of the candle of the 750.
The previous big red candle.
We hit the daily trend, you guys, just slightly above that weekly level, 480s.
Yeah.
So if we're
Alright,
gonna
good
if we're
trade,
gonna
good
hold
trade.
the trend on the daily, this is the bottom. 3 minutes, top of the hour, testing the daily trend. We could see 360s. I've been calling for 360s since Thursday last week. Good trade, Journey. Good job, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, good job, Journey. Nice job.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm very, very happy today. Patience. So I really waited. And then I got in, with you. That was my first trade. I mean, I can pull my performance in there. It was amazing. But yeah, like I said, there's one more trade, top of the hour. Just wait for the top of the hour. If we close at 80, like in a low 8, like in the 80s, if we close that candle in the 80s, I'm gonna go short again with a 10 point stop loss.
Yeah.
With like basically stop loss at 500. So my stop loss is gonna be 500. Hopefully I get in like around 90s, 80s, and then my take profit is gonna be the close of the candle, of the 15 minutes candle.
368 could be
The Nasdaq has come to a
bounce.
halt.
Okay, I went long and got stop.
Wait for the top of the hour. Go for 90 seconds.
Yeah, top of the hour, 2 minutes, brother.
We're testing the 20-day average on the daily. We're testing the daily trend. I see 360 as a bottom. Where are we at on the day? Down 50 points. We could do another 200 points down and be within our average move for the day. That would put us slightly under that 360 level. $23 ATRs, perfect. We got a low base forming on the 1 minute. If we crack the low, we could get another leg. That weekly zone goes all the way down to 265. And there's another smaller zone inside of it from 300 to 320. That's a weekly. Those are weekly levels. $20 seconds. Current candle on the hour is heavy, very small lower wick, closing out. I would call that weak. Closing weak, but holding that daily trend. Not sure what to expect, to be honest. Potential to 35 or 60, which is the open price at 60, 58. Previous low was that 27.
And I'm up by $150. I went long.
Let's go, Golfer. You done for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went long.
Take a look
Again
at
at
my entries that I had on that trade.
95.
Clean as fuck.
Are you done for the day, Berg?
Yeah, I'm done for today.
Golfer's done. Journey's done. Berg is done. I haven't made a trade yet. Abraham? Green, sir?
Yes, sir. I just started another one.
A new account?
I'm up to another account. So I have 3 going on right now.
Ah, you gotta use my
Yes,
code,
after
bro.
10 minutes, I'm funded. Right,
You know
Dave?
what?
Like after 10 minutes of the new account, I'm funded.
Yeah. I think we're bearish. We're just creating a bear flag right now, bro.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes, sir. Big ass bear flag. I agree with you. I just went short again. Like I said,
Yeah.
opening of that 15-minute candle. 514, and it went just green right away.
It's not pushing up,
Nothing
so
else.
it's trying
I'm
to go
short
up
for
and
you
it's not.
mentally then.
Yeah,
Your average.
my
You're
exit is 15 minutes. I'm gonna let that candle express herself for 15 minutes. My stop is in basically I have a 5-point stop. So yeah, 5-point stop. We'll see.
The top of the hour didn't have any volatility at all
No.
yet. We got it. It's the daily trend right there. I'm telling you. 490s. It's going to be tough to break. Everybody's watching that on the daily, and they're seeing that as a dip buy. In my opinion, of course. It's been a strong trend, man. We've been bullish for so long. The trend is strong. The 20 average is strong, a strong indicator for the daily. We could get another low a day. Test it. Confirm it. I think the previous low of 27 could be the entry for the short. If you see weakness. We got a low base forming here. S&P popped all the way back up into the pre-market trend, is resisting it as we speak. Small caps got nasty. Gold's trending down as well. What are we doing overall? Overall, everything's green on the day except for the NASDAQ. The Dow's up 165 points, 0.5%. The S&P is up 0.25%. Crude's up 2%. Bonds are flat. Gold is flat. Small caps are up 0.25%. NASDAQ's down 0.25%.
Every ripping crude right now. It's ripping.
Interesting. Yeah, crude's on fire.
Is there some news for the oil or what? Is there some catalyst news?
I don't know, man. There's a lot of geopolitical shit going on. Over the weekend, there was a lot of stuff going on over the weekend. Missiles being launched. I know we got a second submarine in South Korea now. We met with South Korea and Japan to go talk to North Korea. Iran's starting a war or getting ready to start a war.
I think I found the catalyst. Russia's weekly oil processing drops for the first time since June.
There's a big thing going on with grain. I don't know if you guys have noticed it or not, but there's almost an earthquake every day now, somewhere in the world. If you look,
Of course there is.
Yeah, but it's not like it's more than normal. It seems like the frequency is higher than normal. There's been like 100 earthquakes in the last 4 months. That's just an interesting thing. It doesn't have anything to do with market, of course. So here comes that previous low, 27. 1 minute moving average is here, up to 47 for the 50. That brings us close to the open price last night. Not seeing too much liquidity to the upside anymore. Still got a guy sitting at 650. We got
I'm short.
liquidity down to 400. Concentrated from 50 to 500. Oh, you were done, golfer.
Never done. Where is profit, there is opportunity.
Where there's opportunity, there's profit. I'm never
Where
fucking
is opportunity is Gomper?
leaving.
Right, Gomper?
Alright?
Where there's opportunity, there is a Gomper.
Maybe I should have taken the profit.
The ATR on the 1 minute is $17. That's crazy. Only 22 on the 5 minute. Doesn't make sense. $4 now on the S&P. The S&P is trying to break back into the pre-market trend with resistance at 74. Could be the short entry.
I'm still short from 18.
This could be the short entry.
18, that's a good entry, man.
I'm trying now. Just when I want to go short, I don't enter when I see the opportunity. I enter when I see a top.
Yeah, and if we go in above 25, then we know it is the wrong way.
We've been holding 500 for 12 minutes now. 10 minutes. I think if 500 breaks, we'll crash right through the low. I don't think it'll stop at the low. Come down to 460. 40 points. We got buyers at 450. Book is thick right here. Both sides. I don't think they want to relinquish 500 or that daily trend, 480s.
The EA just stopped.
The what?
The EA is just hanging there.
Oh, the S&P.
Yeah, the S&P just hanging there.
They rejected that previous trend. That was a good entry for a short. Now, if we can get any follow through, that's yet to be determined. We spend another 10 minutes inside of this range.
But NQ is getting heavy to the downside. Oh my lord.
I'm counting on it.
Testing
If
this
this
500
continues,
level.
we can dump at least 100 points.
There's
more.
there's heavy buyers at 487, which is, guess what that price is? The daily trend.
I'm up 300 bucks on the trade. Let's go.
Let's go. 10-10.
400 bucks. Oh,
10-11.
300. Just dumb.
Patience, going for patience. Have your stop ready.
Yeah, I have my stop break even, and this is just a front trade.
Where is your stop?
This is just a
Here.
trade.
Put it at 25.
No,
So-
it is here. I
So they
also.
refused to break 500, and now they're making highs. A higher high over the previous. Nope. Testing that 21.
I have my stop at 25.50. So if they're breaking that, we're definitely in the wrong direction. So
S&P's back into the pre-market trend, and it made
Oh
a
my God.
they're gonna push.
higher high
If you
over
look
the
at
previous.
bookmap, look at bookmap right now. The quantity of
There's tons of support all the way down.
look at this. The quantity of orders at this level is in. It is crazy. No, the quantity of trades that were made in this zone.
All right, we've made a higher high. We broke the previous low. We got a 50 moving average here on the 1 minute at 38.
Yes, it's climbing.
The 5 minute could come
And
up to
thank God I got
50s.
out.
We're going to get the open price, you guys. 553. Bounced off of that daily trend. Strong bounce. This is the pre-market low here in the 40s. S&P not only got back on trend, but it broke the pre-market high a day already in this push.
They're ripping more. They're adding on the offer.
S&P
See
is
it a little bit more.
more bullish than the Nasdaq, I would say. Yeah, for sure.
There's still a high pressure on the buy side. Could push a little bit higher. Sellers are giving up. We're pushing.
Open price is 56. Moving average is 53.
What a reversal.
Pushing a little more. Sellers are trying to step in and protect this area, but they can't.
Right now, S&P is way too bullish to go bearish on the dick. Just S&P is ripping right now.
S&P wiped out all the loss.
Yeah, let's go. Don't go short on the dick.
They bought the dip on that level. Daily trend. They bought the dip. Can we break the open price? If we can't break the open price, we might come back and test the low. S&P still pushing higher.
Then what about
Same to NQ. It's just pushing.
Wiped out that entire bar. That dump candle's gone. Wiped it out.
I was
We
telling
wiped out
you,
the half of the bar right now.
we were just down 50 points on the day. That was so weird.
What 1 hour's bullish engulfing. Almost. Getting a new 15-minute candle here. Got an hourly level at 535.
They're adding on the shorts. This is going to be a reversal. Here it comes.
Checked the 15-minute level at 58. Open price.
Oh, it went out. No. Push.
Above the averages on the 1 minute. Testing the averages on the 5 minute. We're choppy, you guys. With big candles. it's Monday, so they're gonna try and burn up that theta on 0 DTEs. We're above the point of control. We're above VWAP. We're above the open price. We're above the moving averages. S&P looks strong.
All right, gentlemen. See you guys later.
All right,
See you
Ace.
later. Ace.
I need $1,000 more on one account and 2,000 on the third one.
Nice.
Go.
Good job, man.
Work.
Grid.
And one's already funded, so I just need to wait the days.
At this point, if we can get above 70, high day is going to be incoming.
There's a low volume pocket at 68.
We can get above 70. I'm looking for a new high day. S&P is at the highs. It's off by a few. Well, it just got smacked. It was off by a few points.
Nasdaq is gonna go. It's just lagging behind the SPY. SPY is ripping.
The ES is stalling as well. Thank you,
Small
stalling.
caps are going down. Gold's going down. S&P's going up. Bullish engulfing on the hour now. It still has 40 minutes to close. This is where we had the sideways action pre-market, 60 to 90. I want a short, but it doesn't feel like the right move.
This is a good short, Eric.
It just doesn't feel like the right move. You got the open price right there. You got support on the S&P right here, and it bounced off of it. I think I'm gonna not trade and just continue sitting on my hands. Got 40 minutes to the top of the hour. Quitting time.
I think I've seen this movie before.
Yeah.
We just rip way down and rip back up, and then we're going down again.
Should have went long off of that daily trend and then done for the day. 20 minutes. 100 points in 20 minutes. All right, we broke that 70, so I'm looking for the highs. 600. Can we close above? 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Is about to cross the 50 on the 1 minute. Prices above averages on the 1 minute. Testing the averages on the 15 minute. And the hour. S&P looks like it wants to test support again. Like we might be forming a triangle. The S&P. There'll be a higher low at 575 on the S&P if we come all the way down. Nasdaq's got the same formation going on. Look like we're going to close over 70.
Apparently.
Nasdaq could come back, make a higher low at 520s, 515. Previous low a day, 25, 27.
How long is this circus is going to continue? A new application for Koran burning has just arrived to the Swedish police outside Iran's embassy. Sorry. Looks very heavy at this point.
Feels like volatility's dried up.
Yeah, but it's stagnated at this point, getting heavy. So the question is, are we going to rebound at the wee or and continue way up, or we're going to break it and just continue lower? That's my thoughts right now.
520s could be the spot. A lot of buyers, 550 to 560. 560 was the previous range. VWAP's here. This could be the buy the dip.
Yeah, it looks like
it was the buy the dip.
is no buyer stepping in though. They're bailing.
Want to go short.
I'll go long.
And it doesn't feel right though, going short.
But we are short for the day. Overall, we made a huge imbalance down.
We made a low base down there. It broke up to the upside. Now we're forming a high base.
Yeah, but look at the big picture.
Which way is it going to break?
Also.
All caps are dumping. Gold's dumping. Back to the top of this triangle. The triangle breaks. We're going highs. Going to the highs.
Yeah. How much are we down for last week in total on the NQ?
Last week's candle was nasty. Probably a couple 100 points.
Oh, let's see.
Let's see in the triangle. S&P
highs.
broke. S&P broke, and we're at the highs. It's a good call not going short. We're like 30 points off the high of day, NASDAQ. Everything's in the green now.
Woohoo! Ooh, ripping.
NASDAQ's a quarter point behind the S&P. Break of 70 was the spot. $100 sellers. Up to 650.
Oh, crypto is dumping. Interesting.
Then switch to the upside on the S&P. Switch to the upside on the NASDAQ. I don't want to go long, but we're so close to 600. I gotta just sit tight. 15 points. 15 points is nice.
Still long gone for?
No, I got out at 90. Man, from 64 to 90, it is 25 points.
That's nice. Great, man.
You're up $1,000 gone for?
$900.
Oh, you did it. You finally did it, sir.
Nice. Congrats, man.
I'm still using the evaluation. The evaluation is at 54,259. Tomorrow will be the last day, and then another account is funded.
Nice.
Let's go.
Lately, it's been so easy to fund the account.
Going to control 75.
Are you almost funded, Mr. Berg?
No, I haven't bought any new eval.
For real?
No.
The sale is on until the end of the month. Link in the description.
I probably will get another account.
Getting another one, Golfer?
I think so.
How many you got now?
Right now, I have 2.
One funded, one eval?
Yes.
Nice.
I think I'm going to keep 3 because I know I will fuck it up 1, and I still have another account, and I'm going to pay the
Lifetime data.
lifetime data. So
Get wrecked. That's why I didn't go long. Another dip buy here at support. Tons of buyers. It's just tons of buying and selling happening around market price today.
1,200 contracts on the bid there on 65 even.
Makes it hard to tell what's happening, what's going to happen. The chart is ugly. I mean, tons of opportunity, lots of money to be made, but just up and down, choppy. Big candles.
Here comes that big opportunity sell, I think.
Open price here. S&P wet. Like it might get nasty.
Again. This could be just a small bounce. Can't hold this. Well, they can if they can.
Ah. I wanted to buy the dip. Back to 580. Worked for 12 points so far.
I think
And
they're
red.
doing a reversed head and shoulders pattern. They just build ahead. They're building a reversed head and shoulders pattern.
I'm seeing the opposite. I'm seeing a regular head and shoulders on the 1 minute.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, sorry. A regular head and shoulders. So the neckline is at 76. The head is at 890s. So
I concur.
let's see what happens now at this whip. The upper shoulder is at 76. Let's see if they can just touch it, bounce back down.
All right, no trades for me today. Push that over to Sim.
Why?
Because it's I don't like it. I don't like the price action today.
It's totally okay, Eric.
Don't have to trade
No,
every
it
day.
is not.
Exactly.
Godfrey, you're a bad
Doesn't feel
influence.
comfortable, don't trade. It's totally okay. You are a good risk manager. So
The
can do that kind of thing. Just decide that nope, this is not my day. Stay
this
down.
dump and that bounce would have been nice to get into, but it's too late for that. Now the price action's getting tight. And we might just slip and slide here, but I'm just gonna stay flat. Wait for FOMC. I'm gonna probably get another eval account today. I might trade that tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. I moved my cryptos over to my poker account today. I'm probably gonna play some games after lunch. Might stream it in the Discord if anybody's here and wants to watch. Going down. Are we gonna hold the triangle at 538? The S&P cracks 77. It could get juicy. Doesn't look like it wants to break support though. Head and shoulders on the 1 minute is complete.
If this breaks to the downside, it's going to be a beautiful downside pattern.
Yeah, I think you could go back to the low. Even a higher low at like 510, 515. Higher low, did I say lower low? I meant higher low. It's gonna wait till 11:30 and then it's gonna rip 200 points.
Yeah, this could be the shop area.
One way or the other.
Before lunch, and then we're gonna stay here, and then we're gonna continue at like 19 or 70, 8 o'clock. What is that? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock for you.
All right. I'm gonna take the YouTube stream down a little early today. I'm not making any trades. Getting ready to go. Take care of business.
What kind of business?
Well, you know, business meetings with Buffett.
Us.
Talking to the prostitutes.
All right, YouTube. Thanks for viewing. No trades today. We'll see what
Sorry, I forgot you were live
we'll see what
streaming.
happens tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We'll be here
Love.
again tomorrow, 9:15. Toodaloo.
Are you alive?